Hi, I'm Anita with More Time to Chalk. I'm a Couture independent designer, and today I want to do a project, and this is from the last chance on the Couture site if you're interested in it, and it's called Blessed Beyond Measure. I'm going to be doing it on a cutting board that I got at the dollar store. I painted the bottom white already with chalk paint. And I did use some finishing wax on it. I used my little cloth to add the wax, and I let it dry really well. So the first thing you want to do when you're chalking on the wood surface, you want to fuzz your transfer. So there's a big sale going on at on the site. I'll have the shopping cart on the description below if you're interested in seeing what's there. Now I'm going to put the word blessing at the bottom in my measuring cups on the black part. Okay, that's pretty centered. Now you want to make sure that you take all the air bubbles out of the transfer. So just keep pressing down. Okay. The first color that I have that I'm going to be using is Shimmer Harvest. And I hope you can see this. Okay. And I'm going to use a squeegee. I'm going to put some on the first one. And I'm going to do the peel and lift methods just so that the chalk doesn't dry on the screen. The silk screen where you apply the paste. Always put the excess paste back into your jar. It's always good. There's the first one. The second one that I'm going to use is Guava. It's a very pretty color. It's a little dry. I'm going to just mix this up a little bit. So this goes on wet, and when it dries, it turns into a paste. And it'll become activated if it's wet. So the best thing to do if you want this to be permanent, you're gonna put a sealer on it so that your project lasts a little longer. I'm just gonna put this aside. I'm gonna grab a clean squeegee. Again, I'm gonna put some on my surface. And then just remove all the excess. Okay, and I'm going to lift this up again so I don't forget. And just press down. I think I got some guava there. The next one I have is eucalyptus. And I'm going to do the leaves too with this color. So just take your time at applying the paste so that you don't get into your other color. Okay, and then I'm going to just add some here on my leaves. You just scrape the excess off. And I wanted to do the little dots with guava as well. I'll add some here. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. It's always nice to go slow when you're lifting this up. In case you missed a spot, you can put it back down and apply some more. Okay, now the word that I picked, the color, I have Storm. Okay, could have used a big squeegee, but that's okay. Okay, and the words down here. So it's blessed beyond measure. Okay, I'll lift this up. Nice. And this here you wash under the sink. I have a sink where I can wash it with the magic eraser. Not the magic eraser, sorry, with the I can't remember the name of it that we have on the site. So anyways, you can wash that with that. Okay, now I'm going to dry this. The shimmer does take a little while to dry than the regular paste. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry a little bit more. I'm going to just close my jars so they don't dry. And this one. Okay, I've thought about putting a jute string to hang and one to go around the handle. So here's the finished project. Whoops. So I can display that in my kitchen. Okay, I have this thick jute string. I'm gonna apply one at the top to hang. So make this as long as you want. I think about here so that I can make a knot. And I'm going to cut this tape off. Okay, I think that's pretty long right about here. And I'm just going to tie a knot. Okay, that's going to go like that. And then I'm going to glue some jute around the handle. And I'm going to make sure that I don't lay this flat for a second so that I'm going to apply glue. So I'm going to start at the back. Okay, and I'm going to put this one straight up so that I can wrap around it. So I'll just wait a second. That way it hides as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go all the way around with this. Now I don't want to go all the way to the top, but I do want to put some on. I think I'm going to twirl this just a little bit so it's not so flat. Because sometimes they untwirl. Just twirl it back. And I have a knot right here. I'll just keep turning. So just squish them together there so that it's nice and tight. And I think I'm going to stop right about here. Okay, so when I cut this, just don't want to lay it flat just in case it's not dry. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. I might have cut it too long. that a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to put some glue underneath. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is try and put that inside. Just hold on to it for a few minutes. There. So there you have your surface. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.